हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे, मस्त होंगे और अपने अपने जीवन में व्यस्त होंगे। तो दोस्तों, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं द स्नीजी। तो चलिए दोस्तों, हम अपनी स्टोरी को शुरू करते हैं। Once a fox who was very hungry went in search of food. He roamed in the forest but could not find anything to eat. When evening came, the fox did not know what to do. He walked on and on till he came to a field. He saw a wooden box kept under a tree in the field. There were three little pigs inside the box. The box came forward towards the box. He began to sniff at it. His ears picked up. The box had a few cracks in it. The pig saw the box, thought these cracks. They keep themselves very quiet and still. No one moved at all. Then all of a sudden one little pig gave a loud sneeze. Achoo, it said. It was a terrible sneezy. The fox got very scared. He jumped so high that he fell into a heap of thorns. He ran as fast as he could for his life. With a big sign, the pig said, "Oh God, thank you. You save us from that hungry fox." The fox, with a big sign of relief at a far end, said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved me from the horrible beast."